In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background on your computer when you're not using some of the more important Google Chrome services and you're browsing around. So this tutorial should be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our Google Chrome web browser, and you want to head over to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser, three vertical dotted icon. You want to left click on that, and then left click on where it says settings. You want to scroll down here on this page where you're directed to, left click on advanced, and now you want to scroll down until you get to system. Where it says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, just toggle this to the off position by left clicking inside this oval one time. So there you go, now it's just grayed out. That means it will not continue to run background apps when Google Chrome is closed. At this point you can close out of here and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.